Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep in well-draining sandy loam. Start indoors in peat pots or direct sow after frost. Use a 6-inch pot for containers. Keep soil pH 7, 0 to 8, 0 and avoid heavy clay. Use a mix with equal parts compost, sand, and native soil for drainage. Provide 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily and light afternoon shade in hot climates. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart when transplanting and firm soil gently to eliminate air pockets for good root contact. Water young plants every 2 to 3 days until established. Use a gentle soak to keep the top 1 inch moist but never waterlogged. Drainage is critical to prevent root rot. Reduce watering to once weekly when roots reach 3 to 4 inches and plants show steady growth. Apply a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer at half strength every 4 weeks during growth, switching to compost tea in the final month. Mulch with 1 to 2 inches of straw to conserve moisture and suppress weeds around the crown. Harvest roots 120 to 150 days after planting for maximum alkaloids, usually in late summer or fall. Wash and dry them thoroughly. Prune flowering stalks to encourage root growth and bushier plants, cutting stalks back to the base when flowers fade. Store dried roots at 15 to 20 degrees Celsius in airtight containers, away from light and humidity to preserve potency. For seed saving, allow a few plants to mature fully. Collect seeds when pods turn brown and dry before storing in label.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.